Hook, ever heard of a tree that can smell rain from miles away? Fact, the Australian desert eucalyptus, called the gum tree, can detect chemical signals from distant fires and rainstorms. And it does something wild in response. Interesting detail. When fire or lightning releases compounds into the air, these trees pick up sulfur and smoke molecules with receptors in their leaves. That triggers them to release tiny seeds with built-in heat-activated capsules and oily coatings designed to survive fire. After a blaze, the soil is cleared and nutrients spike, so their seeds sprout faster and stronger. In the case of rain, some species actually open seed pods after sensing increased humidity or atmospheric cues, timing germination to the next wet season. Mind-blowing conclusion. So these trees aren't passive plants, they're environmental eavesdroppers, reading smoke and moisture from miles away to time their offspring for survival. In other words, nature built a living alarm clock that uses fire and rain as a parenting strategy. Pretty clever for something rooted to the ground.